So we're getting a mix of the indices. We have the SPX acting as expected, the NDX a little more bearish than expected, the Dow a little more bullish than expected, so we're just getting a little bit of a mix there. And if we go into the Russell, this one again was a little weaker than expected, and we came back down. Primary support in the Russell, I'm still thinking, is closer to the 1430 level than where we turned. Likely we'll test the backside of this trend line here as well, or the 1450 level before going higher. So pretty much the same thing. I'd expect us to range in a very wide sideways movement in the near future. Again, if we start breaking into new highs on the SPX past this level here, we might see them on the Russell or on the NDX because they're a little weaker than expected, but if we start breaking that on the SPX, or if we start pulling new highs, new all-time highs in the Dow, which is going to be the next significant test point in the Dow, then that's definitely going to change our mind.